In this video, I will talk you through how to get started on your screen capture, some essential functions of Screencast-o-matic, and how to use these effectively to support the learning of your students. Once you have an idea for the resource you'd like to capture and have downloaded the Screencast-o-matic launcher, there are a few different options you can choose to capture: screen, webcam, or both. I will talk you through these different options and potential uses in a moment. You'll see below these options there is a recording button. Click and you will get a 3-second countdown timer before recording. Pause and restart recording options are located on this bar as well. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Just click the trash button to start again. To finalize and save video, click Done and follow the prompts. Now let's talk about the different options. Let's start with screen capture. This is great for demonstrating particular instructions for common guidelines, resources, and standards, such as how to find historical images. Here I am showcasing a particular resource we encourage students to use to find reliable information and images. You can choose the recording area by selecting or adjusting the screen size and moving it to the area you want to capture. Screencast-o-matic also highlights the movements of the mouse when recording, so it's easy for watchers to follow. You can also talk to PowerPoint slides, which is great for short modules or vignettes on specific subject areas. The webcam option will only capture what's in front of the camera. This option can give a personal touch and is best for introductions or giving students tips on final assessment and reminding them where they can find help. When using both options, you can have the option of displaying the webcam capture in different positions and hiding the camera at any time by stopping the recording, adjusting the settings, and then pressing record again. I would suggest to use after explaining instructions as an opportunity to add more detail, but be careful of overusing this function, as it can be distracting for a short video. This brings us to the end of the Principles of Effective Screen Capture series. In this series we looked at how to use Screencast-o-matic, top tips for resource success, and how to integrate screen capture to benefit student learning with 3 guiding principles: connect, contextualize, and clarify. Happy screen capturing and supporting the learning of your students.